Smaller desks and minimalist setups call for the best all-in-one PCs. These sleek computers are space-saving and pack a lot of power in their svelte form, enough to rival some of the best PCs out there. Recent market offerings continue to push the boundaries of what a budget-based PC is capable of. So if you are looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Aspire Z24 all-in-one PC packs all the essential computing features you need in an ultra-slim, space-saving design that's simple to use, functional, and looks great on your desk. It houses Intel Core i5-9400T, a 9th generation processor, clocking in at an impressive 3.4 GHz, along with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of solid-state drive, ensuring excellent performance and maximum fun. The 23.8-inch Full FHD borderless display lets you experience clearer images and vibrant entertainment. It has dual front stereo speakers and Dolby Audio Premium and Acer True Harmony audio technology that delivers home theater quality and captivates you with immersive entertainment. Plus, the Full HD webcam and dual digital microphones give you quality face-to-face chats. Next up on the list, we have the HP Envy 34B110 curved all-in-one computer. This desktop is the world's most comprehensive curved, all-in-one, and Amazon Alexa built-in. You can experience immersive entertainment and control your smart home without touching a mouse. This system uses the 8th generation Intel Core i7-8700T processor, 6-core, with a clocking speed of 2.40 GHz. It comes with a 34-inch curved, diagonal widescreen ultra-wide QHD LED backlit micro-edge monitor, and rich audio with quad speakers and dual passive radiators with Bang and Olufsen. This desktop uses a 1TB 7200 RPM SATA hard drive and 16GB DDR4 2666 SD RAM. Additionally, it is equipped with HP Premium Lifestyle wireless keyboard with volume control and an optical mouse with a nano dongle kit. Everyday computing just got more comfortable with the combined strength and style of the Dell XPS 277760. The Intel Core i7-6700 3.4 GHz processor matched with the 16GB DDR4 2133 memory makes this all-in-one desktop PC a speedy and efficient PC. The 2TB SATA HDD provides ample space to store all crucial data safely. With up to 32 GB of memory, you can easily toggle between multiple applications and manage large files quickly and efficiently. It features a USB 3.0 port, power button, SD card reader, and audio jack all on the side, so you don't need to search around the back to find ports to charge your phone or download images from your SD card, etc. Further, built on the refined, future-ready Polaris architecture, the optional Radeon RX 570 graphics series delivers the performance you need to crank up the settings on your favorite games or speed through demanding video and photo editing projects. Designed for everyone, the iMac Pro from Apple delivers workstation-class performance that will help you turn your most significant ideas into your most excellent work. It has a 1TB PCIe SSD, which has a 3.3 GB per second write speed and a 2.8 GB per second read speed for loading huge files and launching apps faster. With a 3.0 GHz Intel Xeon W10 core processor, it is designed to handle intensive professional workflows. It also has Bluetooth 5.0 technology and a UHS-2 SDXC media card slot, 4 40 GB per second Thunderbolt 3 ports, and 4 5 GB per second USB 3.0 Type A ports. Besides, a Lightning to USB Type A cable is also included, so you can charge your peripherals. Furthermore, there is also the Apple T2 chip for enhanced integration and security. Fuel your creativity with the Surface Studio 2 multi-touch all-in-one desktop computer from Microsoft. This system is powered by a 2.9 GHz Intel Core i7-7820HQ quad-core processor, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 graphics card with 6 GB of GDDR5 VRAM. For storage, it's equipped with a 1TB solid-state drive. You can connect external storage solutions using one USB 3.0 Type-C port and 4 USB 3.0 Type-A ports. It also features a built-in 5.0 megapixel front-facing 1080p webcam, 2.1 channel speakers with Dolby Audio Premium, and dual microphones, so you can video chat with friends and coworkers. You can also connect to the internet using the Gigabit Ethernet port or 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, while additional wireless peripherals can be connected using Bluetooth 4.1 technology. Take your creative ideas from conception to completion with the iMac from Apple. With a 5K screen resolution, this iMac provides 1 billion colors and 500 nits of brightness. It houses a 10th Gen 3.3 GHz Intel Core i5 6-core processor that can be overclocked up to 4.8 GHz, as well as 8 GB of 2666 MHz DDR4 RAM in a 2x4 GB configuration that can be upgraded to 128 GB by using a 32 GB module in each of the 4 SO-DIMM slots. Visuals are powered by a dedicated AMD Radeon Pro 5300 graphics card with 4 GB of GDDR6 video memory, and for storage, there is a 512 GB PCIe SSD. Outfitted with Wi-Fi 5 and backward compatible with 802.11a, B, G, and N for quick hookups to your home network. This iMac is also configured with Bluetooth 5.0. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.